In this video, I'll show you how to make your iPad charge to 100%. In some situations, you will want your iPad to have the full battery in case you're traveling, and you can plug in your iPad and you can charge it, but if it stops at 80%, it doesn't charge. If it doesn't charge more than 80%, it means you have the battery limit on. So it's a charging limit. It's a safety option for the battery of your iPad, so it doesn't wear out the battery too fast. And you can change that. You can go into the settings. This is the information. This is iPad Pro 13-inch M5 A3360. This is the iPad model, but this is going to be the same on most iPads. In the settings, you go to the battery settings, and here you have the option for the battery health. You see battery health there. Tap on the battery health. You see the charging cycles, how many times you charge it, the maximum capacity, how the battery health, how good is the battery, and also you have the 80% limit. In general, it's recommended to have this option enabled. I have it enabled most of the time, but if you want to have 100% battery charging on your iPad, for traveling especially, this is the option. You turn off the 80% limit and you leave the iPad charging. Once it reaches 80%, it will go further. It will charge the iPad to 100%. If you're traveling, it's always good to have a power bank with you, but now sometimes it's not easy to charge the iPad, especially in the plane. You're not really supposed to charge the devices while the plane is in the air. So that's why it's really great to have the option to charge the iPad to 100%. This charger is a simple charger from IKEA, and the charger on the adapter for the socket, it's also a simple charger from IKEA, nothing special, but it might charge slower. Might be a problem. In case you have a slow charger, it might take longer, or if you have a fast charger, it will take shorter. The time of charging the iPad will be faster. But the most important is that you have the limit set to off now, and it's going to charge to 100%, even if it's slower with a slow charger. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.